Welcome to the Storytime Kits instructional video from the Independence Public Library. My name is Vonnie, and we have this opportunity today to create a handprint paper flower display. What you will need is a craft kit from the public library, a pencil, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. If you want to stop the video while you collect your tools, that would be good. Go ahead and start it again when you're ready to go. Inside your Storytime kit, there should be a set of pre-printed leaves, a strip of construction paper, 3 pieces of colored construction paper, and 2 paper clips. We're going to start our project by, first of all, gluing the stem of our plant, like this. Okay, we want to curl this around so that it's about the size of a quarter, or maybe a little bigger. Something about like that. Okay, once you have the size that you think you kind of want, go ahead and unroll it at least a little ways. Well, or all the way. Okay, we need to put some glue. Quite a bit of glue actually on our paper. Okay, go ahead and roll it up again. It's about the size of a quarter. Okay, once you have that glued, the paper clips are in your kit to help hold that together until it gets good and dry. Like that. Okay, there you go. We're going to set that aside for now. Next part of your craft is to use your hand and trace on your papers the outline of your hand. My hand's a lot bigger than yours, so I have a template that I'm going to use to draw around my hand instead. If you want to just draw around your hand one time and cut through all 3 papers at the same time, that's okay. If it's easier for you to draw your hand 3 times and cut around them, that's okay too. Make sure and get all the way around your hand. If you have your hand laying on there, you want to make sure and get underneath the palm of your hand. Okay. So when you have that drawn, it should look, I don't know if you can see that on there or not, but like that, something like that. When you get that drawn, go ahead and cut those out and cut around your leaves. You want both of them. Okay. You can stop the video now if you'd like. Go ahead and start it again when you've completed these 2 little parts of the craft. Welcome back. The next part of our project, once you've cut around your 3 handprints and your 2 leaves, the next thing we want to do is take our stem. We want to cut 2 slit in each side of each of this to hold our handprints in. So I just carefully kind of bend it a little bit. You want to only cut down about, maybe an inch there, and on this side. Okay. What I did next was to grab my leaves, put plenty of glue on them. We're going to glue them to the front of our stem here. There's that one. And then again, plenty of glue on the other one. What I did with my hand prints is kind of carefully laid them on top of each other. Maybe like that. Just carefully slid them down into the slits that we cut just a little bit ago. You can arrange them in there any way you're comfortable with. There you go. There's a great new flower arrangement for maybe your dinner table, or to brighten your desk, or to share with a friend or mom. There we are. You did a fantastic job. A rainbow of flowers. Thank you for joining us today. Books that we have at the Independence Public Library that are about flowers are The Digger in the Flower by Joseph Kuffler, Sunflower House by Eve Bunting, Fletcher and the Springtime Blossoms by Julie Rawlinson, and Bloom Boom by April Sayer. Thank you for joining us today. You did a fantastic job. We do hope to see you again in the library soon. Goodbye.